Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the police have launched a manhunt for those responsible for today's deadly gun attack, which claimed the life of businessman Dean Shaw at his business establishment along Shortwood Road in St. Andrew. As you'll hear in this report, Mr. Shaw's family is devastated as they say he was deeply connected with the community.
Residents of Grand Spen and surrounding communities look on in disbelief at the scene where businessman Dean Shaw was shot and killed by unknown assailants. Reports are that sometime after 2 p.m., men traveling on a motorcycle drove into the business complex at Shortwood Plaza and opened fire. When the shooting ended, Mr. Shaw was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. His daughter Alexandra Shaw spoke with our news team.
The absolute worst day of my life. I think I always see these things on TV or in news that this happens, but you never expect to happen to you. And this morning, him and I were talking for a little bit longer this morning. He was like, come have a coffee with me. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll have some coffee with you. And we sat down and had a coffee, and a little longer than usual, you know. And when I said goodbye to him this morning, I had no idea it would be the last time I'd ever seen him.
So what was the last thing he said to you?
Love you, see you later, have fun at the wedding.
She said her father has been operating the business for over 20 years and was deeply connected with the residents in the area. His tragic killing has plunged the entire community in mourning.
Everybody in the area knows him, the lane men, everybody, like, he's very, very friendly with them. The guys on the gully banks behind the building, like, everybody, you know, has a good respect for him. And yeah, when they came, it was just like, apparently Daddy was just normal, you know, just walking around his building, checking something, fixing whatever, turns his back and he's walking, and it looked like, and then somebody shot him twice.
Our news team tried to get a comment from residents, but they were tight-lipped. TVJ understands that the St. Andrew North Police are still trying to establish a motive for Mr. Shaw's killing. Deja Thomas for TVJ News.